In this clip, we'll make the Guqin sound. Placement: the head on the right and the tail on the left. Sit between 四徽 and 五徽. The playing area for the right hand is between 乐山 and 一徽, while the left hand is in the area on the left of 一徽. This is called 挑. This is called 勾. 挑 mainly use the index finger. The thumb lightly touch the first joint of the index finger, push out together, use the nail surface of the index finger to strike the string and make a sound. Go, use our middle finger to hold the strings diagonally downwards at 45 degrees and use your fingertips and nails to pluck the strings to make a sound. When the left hand is not used for any auxiliary performance, it is called an open string. The sound played on an open string is called an open tone. The sound is deep and powerful. Pressing the strings while playing or moving with the left hand is called a pressed tone. The sound is rich and varied. The sound played by the right hand with the left hand lightly tapping the strings is called overtone. The sound is clear and ethereal. But how to accurately represent on which string, at which position, and which tone to play? We will have it on next video. If you find this video helpful, press the thumb and let more people see or subscribe this channel.